Every day is a great day for me, and 2024 was spectacular. A once-in-a-lifetime event that I have to travel all the way to Illinois, the total eclipse. Whew! Look at the corona! Oh my God, here comes the rain now! Yay! Another once-in-a-lifetime event that I was able to capture. Images. I sure had a lot of fun this year photographing Nebula. And how about those galaxies? And how about that comet, Chang? And whoever thought I was going to have the northern lights in the south? Not once, but twice. Oh my God. In one of my favorite stars and star clusters. Thanks to all of you for making this channel so successful, for all the likes, the comments, all the new subscribers, over 180,000 views. Thank you so much. Much more in 2025.